Now calling upon the second speaker from St. Joseph's College, the host team, Prakhar Pathak. Yes? The name of the interjector. Your name? Jayesh Jaiswal. All right, just for the convenience of the judges, may I request the interjectors when they go up to the podium, before you ask your question, please say out your name aloud. Okay? Jayesh Jaiswal was the name of the person who interjected. And young lady, your name? Shatakshi Sonkar. And the name of the school as well, from where you are. Okay. Prakhar, you can start your speech. Your time starts now.
Friends, India, our country, it is a dwelling place of I, ideal, N, nationalistic, D, diligent, I, intelligent, and A, above all, adorable. Friends, today education is spreading as never before, and it should be accelerated by innovation-driven technology. In other words, the Digital India push is necessary. A very pleasant morning. Well, the topic before the August House today is entirely, highly and completely misleading, because it directly aims to the government's Digital India push, which I vehemently oppose. Today, digitization is necessary because it will change and reform our complete education system. What my opinion is that education and digitization, they should go hand in hand. Well, a perfect and optimum example of smart classes. Don't we have smart classes in our schools? And don't they give impetus to our students to better understand and better learn some difficult things? 60% of the schools, a survey has proved that 60% of the top-notch schools in our country have shown that students are performing better by the introduction of smart classes. Talking about Apple Kindle, the state-of-the-art technology, it saves paper. We can stop reading storybooks and we can start reading e-books. Doesn't it save natural resources? Apart from that, annually we have our annual budget, and this year the Finance Minister Shri Arun Jaitley announced that this annual year we will have 20% rise in the education sector. We don't have to worry about education. NASA's scientists, half of the NASA scientists are either Indians or of Indian origins. We are already the intellectual leaders of the world. The only sector we lack is of Digital India. Reflecting historically, friends, since the last 69 years, we have got the tag of an underdeveloped nation, which we should remove. And the dissemination of knowledge is not only done through books. It should be done through state-of-the-art technology and innovation-driven technology. If we reflect geographically, 70% of our nation is village-based. Teachers and books cannot reach there, but surely internet and Wi-Fi and video conferencing can enhance the students there to perform better. In the end, I would like to say that today our nation is led by very able administrators, and they are working for the people, with the people, and reaching out to the people. This is the essence of democracy. So, digitization and education should go hand in hand. With this, I rest my case.
All right, that was Prakhar Pathak speaking against the motion from the host institution, the St. Joseph's College, Allahabad. Now, who's to question him? Tanya Tripathi from SJC Rihand Nagar. Judges, the first interjector is Tanya Tripathi from SJC Rihand Nagar. Yes, your question.
My question is, what will we do of a country where people either can't afford those digital devices or cannot access it properly because they don't know the proper use?
See, today in India, investments are pouring out from foreign countries. So we don't need to worry about money. Money isn't a factor. Only we need to implement the innovative schemes so that those facilities reach the villagers.
All right, thank you. Any other question? Are there any other questions for Prakhar? Right, so that is it. Thank you so much, Prakhar. That was St. Joseph's College. Now the next team that I'm going to call upon is SMSM. What's that supposed to be? SMSM? SMS Mirzapur. Okay. St. Mary's Mirzapur. Okay. And we've got Shruti Jain speaking for the motion. Judges, this is Shruti Jain speaking for the motion. And Shruti, your time starts now.
Good morning, respected judges, audience, and my worthy opponents. Today I'm going to speak for the motion. Education is spending half of our life in learning how to spend the remaining half of it. We have inculcated ourselves so much into modern techniques and culture that we have forgotten to understand the real roots and essence of education. Gaining education through the real roots is not just sitting under a tree with a light lamp and studying in the dark. It's about understanding and observing the things happening around us. Education system in India has started improving by digitizing it. I don't think it is that necessary to digitize the education system in India, because if we go back to the history, the extravagant Indian leaders like C.V. Raman, Vivekanand and all have invented so many things without the digitization of the Indian education system. But today, in this century, even after the digitization, we aren't able to match up to that level. So do you think is it so necessary to digitize the education system of India? I don't think so. At last, I would like to conclude by saying, if Newton wouldn't have sat under the tree, wouldn't have seen the apple falling, wouldn't have thought about it later, I don't think he would have, if he ever fell off, he could have replied to his mom asking what happened by saying that, nothing mom, just testing gravity. Thank you.
Thank you. That was Shruti Jain speaking for the motion. Now, are there any questions for Shruti? Go on. Please give your name at the podium and the name of your school. And please, before you ask that question, please may I request the organizers over here, I believe there's some sports practice going on and there's a lot of music blaring from downstairs. It is disturbing the participants over here. So could something be done about it, please? Right. Please go on with the question.
A very good morning. My name is Harsh Arora, and my question to you is, digitization is the way today. Digitization is what we need. We can't keep sitting under
Your question, we are not interested in what
we
you
can't
think.
keep sitting under a tree. We need digitization. What would you say to that now?
Sorry, I don't know.
Sorry, that is not a question. I disallow that question. Are there any other questions? Yes, please go and ask. Please, those who are going up to question, remember, you will have your chance to speak, but this is what I believe in, can hardly be called a question. If you have a question based upon what the person has said or otherwise, then please ask a question. Otherwise, I'll have to disallow that question. Yes,
Very
Prakhar,
good
your
morning.
question.
My dear friend, you talked about C.V. Raman, but at that time, modern gadgets had not been introduced. If we will not adapt to the change, won't we stay behind and we won't be able to compete with other nations?
All right, his question is simple. If we don't adapt with whatever new is happening, will we not be left behind? Is that your question?
Exactly.
Yes, please answer.
I don't say we should not move on with the modern technologies. I just wanted to tell that we shouldn't be just limited to those digital devices. We shouldn't be dependent on them. We
Right,
should
thank
more
you.
focus on the roots of education.
Thank you. That question stands answered. Any other questions? Right, thank you. Okay, there is one more question and please introduce yourself. Chalo.
My name is Ayushi Tripathi and I want to ask you,
Which school are you from? Kindly give the name of your
St.
school.
Joseph School, Rihan Nagar.
Wonderful.
I want to ask you, how can we compete in today's world without the digital devices?
My friend, as I just said, I don't say just stop using those devices or stop using digital technologies. I say focus more on the roots of education than by gaining knowledge by using digital devices.
Thank you. Thank you, Shruti. Now, shall I call upon Pratiksha Pandey? No, sorry. Is there a problem with the name over here? We've got Pratiksha Pandey. This name is over here. Instead of that, Jayesh Jaiswal. SMC Mirzapur. I think, no, this other name is wrong. All right, instead of Pratiksha Pandey, we've got Jayesh Jaiswal. Judges, please note, on my sheet, the name was given as Pratiksha Pandey. In case your sheet is also similarly placed, then correct the second speaker speaking against the motion from St. Mary's Mirzapur as Jayesh Jaiswal. Jayesh, please.
A very hearty morning to everyone. I am Jayesh Jaiswal from St. Mary's Mirzapur.